In this tutorial we're going to have a look at some of the other kinds of hotspots you can actually add to a virtual tour. So let's go down and click on Add Hotspots, and then the hotspot editor, and let's click on Entrance Hall. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag and drop a YouTube video onto the piano. So drag and drop and select YouTube. And then it asks you for a movie ID here. What this means is if we have a look at a video which I've already got prepared, anything after the V in the URL is what we copy. So we copy the code which is after V, and then we paste it into here and click load. And that's loaded the YouTube video. So now we can click OK, and that's done. Now what we can do is we can go into the kitchen dining room, and let's drag some text onto this cooker here. So we can drag and drop, select the info option, and then give it a title, and then give it some text. And then click OK. Great, now we just need to add some lens flares. So what we can do is we can go back into the entrance hall and go to this light up here, and then drag and drop and add a lens flare. And then we've got a selection of lens flares over here. I just normally select daylight and then click OK. And that's it. And now if we click Save Changes, close the tab, and now if we actually have a look around the tour, we'll see now that we've got a lens flare. When we click on the piano, we have our piano music. And if we go into the kitchen dining and click on the cooker, we have our text. And that's all for this tutorial.